SSD upgrade, and HD Caddy installation on Lenovo G470. Thank you, Sir Frank, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The reason for his upgrade is that he came across our page or our content that SSDs are so popular upgrades to make your laptop faster, and because of that he did inquire to our page and decided to have an upgrade. Upgrading to a 128 gigabytes SSD from an old HDD on your laptop is worth it. This upgrade will significantly improve performance with faster boot times, file transfers, and overall system responsiveness. SSDs are more reliable and durable due to having no moving parts, leading to less mechanical failure. They also consume less power, improving battery life, and operate silently compared to HD. Although there is a reduction in storage capacity, if you can manage with 128 gigabytes or use an external drive for additional storage, the performance benefits of an SSD make this a worthwhile investment. Also, he decided to purchase HDD Caddy to have his old 500 gigabytes HDD installed back to the laptop and to have more storage. SSD upgrade and HD Caddy installation is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.